Hello everyone, my name is Mani Singh and welcome to my channel Train Your Brain. Today we'll be starting with the exercise 1.1 of chapter 1, which is number system from R.D. Sharma. So let's get started. Our first question here is 0 a rational number? Can it be written in the form of P by Q where Q isn't equals to 0? Well, the answer to that is yes, 0 can be written in the form of P by Q where Q is not equals to 0, and yes, 0 is a rational number as it can be written in the form of P by Q. So yes, 0 is a rational number, and how can it be written in the form of P by Q? Like 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 100 and even 0 by 1000, where the Q isn't equals to 0. Here 1 isn't equals to 0, 2 isn't equals to 0. So yes, it is a rational number. Now we'll move on to the next question. Now moving on to the next question, which is find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So rational numbers are written in the form of P by Q. So we'll make them in the form of rational number, which is 1 by 1 and 2 by 1. Whenever we need to make them in the form of rational number, we just add a 1 here. It will to make them rational numbers, because the adding of 1 wouldn't mean anything. Now we need to find 5 rational numbers in between them. So here's the trick. What you need to do is just multiply with these. First we have to take this, make the denominator same. So the denominator here are same. So all we need to do is just multiply this with with itself. Just add one more digit to it. Like we want to find 5 rational numbers, we'll multiply it with 6. If we want to find 6 rational numbers, we'll multiply it with 7. And if we want to find 4 rational numbers, we'll multiply it with 5. So let's multiply these numbers with 5. 6, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 into 6 by 6 and 2 by 1 into 6 by 6. So what you will get is 6 by 6 and 12 by 6. So 5 rational numbers between them are 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6 and 11 by 6. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now you can also try it in some other way, like you can multiply it with 7 and then get 6 rational numbers. All we need to know is that you cannot multiply it with a number less or equal to 5. Now let's do the another trick. We'll multiply it with 7 and let's see if we get 5 rational numbers. Let's do it and let's find out. So here we have 1 by 1 into 7 by 7. And here we will get 7 by 7 and 2 by 1 into 7 by 7, which is 14 by 7. Now 5 rational number between 7 by 7 and 14 by 7, 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 12 by 7. Here we have 5 rational number and we can also add one more, 13 by 7. They are 6 rational numbers between 1 and 2, and if we erase them, 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So we can do it also like this. Let's move on to the next question if you've understood this. So let's solve this question number 3rd. Question number 3rd, find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. It's the same question as before. So all we have to do is take a number greater than this and make these denominators same, which won't be a problem because 3 by 1 and 4 by 1 denominators are same. Take a number more than this, 7. 3 by 1 into 7 by 7 and 4 by 1 into 7 by 7. The answer that we get is 21 by 7, 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. So now 6 rational number between These are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7, and here there are 6 rational numbers. 1, answer. So here we find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4, which is this, and we can also take one number ahead like 8, 9, 10, and we get 6 rational numbers. So it's not, we can take numbers greater than 6, but we cannot take numbers less than 6. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question, fourth question, is find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. It's the same question. We'll take a number greater than this and multiply with these. The denominators are same, so there will be no problem again. So it would be 3 by 5 into 6 by 6 and 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 into 6 by 6. Here we get 3 6 are 18 and 5 6 are 30 and 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. So finding 5 rational numbers between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30, it won't be a problem. 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So here we have solved our questions. Let's move